ensure that we protect, if you like, our presence in AGOA, and I think it's a conversation that will be led in government.
And with regards to whether we will now consult with the DA on South Africa's foreign policy, we have stated it from the beginning of our term that our foreign policy is informed by the Constitution, is informed by the National Interest Document, is informed by the Foreign Services Act, and it is also informed by the National Development Plan. And that is what we are implementing. We're not implementing something out of the laws of this country, which is not mandated and which is not policy.
So invariably in that conversation, we did have an extensive reflection on the flurry of executive orders coming from out of the US. And our